Welcome back, fans. Again, today I'm your host Mutune. I'll be just showing you some shortcuts and let me say some hacks I have found myself when I'm using Aclas Aclas FC4 ESD. So today, just want to show you in case you are stuck in the field and you do not know what to do with the invoices you have. Here is a shortcut. I'll just be showing you how you'll be going around it. So let me just put on the driver on. So this is the preview. Just selected the preview from here. So this is the preview. So I want to just map all the necessary fields, but just pay close attention to how I'm doing to some of the. So I'm just pick the map, the name. I'm not going to pick the invoice number. These are the necessary fields you need when you are signing a document, because in absence of them means that document is not going to be uh, registered as an invalid document. So please pay attention to these. So if it's a PLU name, the PLU name is usually not a complicated the PLU name is never a complicated data field to pick, so you just pick as it is. Now just closely check at my invoice. It doesn't have the sale quantity column, so that doesn't mean that you're not going to capture the values. So instead of now capturing the top nameplate, you just come and pick the value as the field area like that, and you come and also do the same. Sorry, I did not pick that one. Like this, you apply, then choose the sale quantity. Now you realize that the quantities are only one, so meaning all the quantities and the sale price are the same and the sale amount are the same. So I'm going to only use the same column as of the sale price or sale amount, because actually the sale amount is the multiplication of the two. Let me show you what I'm going to do. So I'm going to pick this one as the sale amount. Remember, I picked it as the sale price. I'm going to pick it again as a sale amount like that. So notice why I'm picking this is because of the f value. So when the f value is added again in the receipt, it means that invoice is not going to sign on. Rather, it will give the name sale amount is error. So I'm going to drop down to this, and I pick the VAT net, which means is the amount before VAT. I'm going to just pick it like this, and again like this. So the rest just flows. Okay, now you'll be wondering why I placed these tax groups at the top. It's because Aclas uses the technology of fields and their values to be at constant position, except of the item names, or rather the transaction lines. The rest of the packages has to be constant. So for example, if your invoice keeps on changing, the values means are where you had specified the machine to pick the amount. Next time when you're passing an invoice with a different value, to not be able to reply. So you also need to keep note of that. So I think I'm done. The next, I'm just going to position the QR code at the bottom of this, and I think the font is okay. So I'm just going to check it's going to sign. So I just click, I start the process, or I call the function of the ESD, and I see it has signed there. It has put a signature on the machine. So if I want to confirm how it has signed, I just come into the signed folders and I check one which is dated today, 13th, and then just open and see how it is signed. So this is a receipt invoice, and you can see they are successfully been sent. So meaning even if this transaction lines grows up to second, fifth, and the sixth pages mean and the values at the top are constant, the invoices will be signed successfully. So please note of that. Thank you.